It is 2:30 in the morning. I'm traveling tomorrow, but I cannot sleep because I'm hungry. So I'm going to. I have a jar of oats, and I have a spoon. Some people might call me a monster for eating dry oats straight out of the jar, but it's good. It's tasty. And I don't actually think we've got anything else, so if it works. If I look like I'm using a spoon weirdly, one of my teeth is fake. I knocked it out about a year ago, skateboarding accident, and I have trouble with some cutlery and stuff, and apples and sweet corn. Every time I eat oats like that, which I do pretty regularly, I feel like a horse.